welcome back after 5 days. This is after India launched Operation Sindoor, striking at the heart of terror hubs in Pakistan and also POK. The Prime Minister hailed the forces for the successful operation, which made Pakistan fall on its knees and beg for mercy. In this 22-minute address, the Prime Minister sent out a clear and direct message to Pakistan that India has zero tolerance when it comes to terror and that we will no longer differentiate between terror and the perpetrators and its patrons. The Prime Minister basically outlined while it's not an era of war, it is also not an era on terror. It's a stern message which was given to Pakistan. The Prime Minister asserted that India won't tolerate this so-called nuclear blackmail and that nuclear threats are not going to deter it from acting against terror dens. On talks with Pakistan, the Prime Minister underlined that any talks that will happen with the neighboring nation will be on terror and that any talk on Kashmir will be on POK. He also warned that blood and water don't flow together. Listen in to the key takeaways.
इस आतंकी हमले के बाद सारा राष्ट्र, हर नागरिक, हर समाज, हर वर्ग, राजनीतिक दल एक स्वर में आतंक के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई के लिए उठ खड़ा हुआ। हमने आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए भारत की सेनाओं को पूरी छूट दे दी और आज हर आतंकी, आतंक का हर संगठन जान चुका है कि हमारी बहनों बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर हटाने का अंजाम क्या होता है। साथियों, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है, ये देश के कोटि कोटि लोगों की भावनाओं का प्रतिबिंब है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर न्याय की अखंड प्रतिज्ञा है। आतंकियों ने हमारी बहनों का सिंदूर उजाड़ा था, इसलिए भारत ने आतंक के ये हेडक्वार्टर्स उजाड़ दिए।
All right, Pradeep, this is a direct and a stern message coming in from the Prime Minister. Take us through, some of the key takeaways as far as the Prime Minister's address is concerned.
See, the important message was that, one, that the truce was not brokered by United States of America. It was the DGMO from Pakistan side who was begging for us, who wanted that there should be ceasefire. It was on May 10th at about 3:35 p.m. Indian Standard Time. He called the DGMO on Indian side. He wanted that there should be ceasefire. And India responded positively. Because reason being that India never ever wanted to climb that escalation ladder because India has already achieved this military objective of decimating those terror hubs. It was only because Pakistan started targeting their military installations, so India was left with no other option but to target and demolish many of their air bases that brought Pakistan on knees and sent shivers down the spine. They realized that this assertive Bharat is not going to leave them there because already India has struck in their heartland. It was in Rawalpindi where Noor Khan air base was also demolished. And the second important thing is that another message was again, this time though he did not name Donald Trump because recently he had offered the role of mediation so far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Prime Minister said if there is going to be any talk with Pakistan, that will be on terror. And if there is going to be any dialogue, that will be on Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Because Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir is a part that is illegally occupied by neighbor. And in 1994...
I'm interrupting you because you're rightly telling us the key takeaway, something obviously which we have been discussing